Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make 10 delicious meals for under $10. Whether you're on a tight budget, looking for quick and easy recipes, or just love tasty meals without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. So let's get started and see how you can enjoy incredible meals without spending a fortune. First up, we have a classic spaghetti aglio e olio. All you need is spaghetti, olive oil, garlic, chili flakes, and parsley. Start by cooking the pasta, then sauté garlic and chili flakes in olive oil until golden. Toss the pasta in the garlic oil, sprinkle some parsley, and you've got a simple, flavorful meal that costs under $5 to make. Next, we've got a quick and healthy vegetable stir-fry with rice. Grab any vegetables you have on hand, carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, and stir-fry them with soy sauce and garlic. Serve over some steamed rice, and for just a few bucks, you've got a nutritious, filling meal that's bursting with flavor. Black bean tacos are another great choice. Heat up a can of black beans with some taco seasoning and spoon it into soft or hard taco shells. Top with salsa, cheese, and a bit of sour cream. A filling and flavorful meal for under $7. Perfect for Taco Tuesday or any day. Who doesn't love a classic grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup? Butter 2 slices of bread, add your favorite cheese and grill until crispy and melty. Serve with a simple tomato soup made from canned tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Both of these comforting dishes come in at under $8. Now let's whip up a simple chicken stir-fry with noodles. Use some chicken breast, your choice of veggies, and cook them up with soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Add noodles to the mix, and you have a delicious, budget-friendly stir-fry that comes in under $9. How about a light yet satisfying chickpea salad sandwich? Mash a can of chickpeas with mayo, mustard, salt, and pepper, and spread it on whole wheat bread. You can even add lettuce or cucumber for crunch. This easy sandwich will only cost around $5, and it's perfect for lunch. Up next, we have a tasty pasta primavera. Cook up some pasta, then sauté your favorite veggies like zucchini, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes in olive oil. Toss them with the pasta, add some parmesan, and you've got a fresh, healthy meal for under $8. Let's not forget breakfast burritos. Scramble a couple of eggs, add black beans, cheese, and salsa, and wrap it up in a tortilla. It's an easy and filling meal that you can enjoy any time of the day, and it costs less than $6 to make. A hearty lentil soup is both nutritious and cheap. All you need are lentils, onions, garlic, carrots, and some vegetable broth. Cook it all together, and you've got a warming soup that will cost you just a few dollars and keep you full for hours. Lastly, we have a delicious veggie quesadilla. Fill a tortilla with cheese, black beans, corn, and your favorite veggies. Cook it on a skillet until crispy and golden. This tasty meal is under $8 and perfect for a quick dinner.